Within the QPP software, open the Tools menu, then select Technician, and enter password 1234. Then open the Maintenance menu, select Motion Control, click on the applicable axis, and then select Go Position. Press the emergency button as a safety backup. On the back of the machine, open the doors of the electric cabin and shut down PS2 breaker. Place protective rags inside the doors beneath the carriage to avoid ink getting inside the machine. Open the Maintenance menu, select Ink System, click on Vacuum System, which disable the vacuum of the machine. Pressing the emergency button will also do the same. On the print head you wish to replace, remove the 2 screws located on the button of the carriage. Disconnect the data cable and the heating element Molex. Remove the 2 screws to release the dongle cover and then remove the 2 screws to release the metal plate on the right side. Disconnect the inlet pipe coming from the ink filter. From customer with the R series, you will also need to remove the return pipes. Remove the Allen screws from both sides of the printhead and remove printhead entirely. This can now be replaced with a new printhead, not forgetting the rubber seal. The pipes, the dongle cover, and the cables should now be replaced. Turn on the PS2 breaker and make a few purges until the nozzle test is satisfactory.